Studying the rock will give us an insight to the cloud seeding approach, adopted by the Harvard University geoengineering participant scientists. They use rock particles in scattering sunlight, so one can convincingly say that the Harvard University scientists team decides to use calcium carbonate from rocks knowingly or unknowingly in similitude to how the Quran has described one of its usages in the story of children of Israel in chapter 4, verse 154 and chapter 7, verse 160. It might surprise you to learn that rocks contain the most oxygen, which typically connect with the atmosphere. It is a crucial component of the majority of common minerals, including calcite and quartz. The British physicist Sidney Chapman discovered the photochemical processes that create the ozone layer in 1930. Oxygen molecules O2 split into individual oxygen-O atoms when struck by ultraviolet light, which then mixes with unbroken O2 to form ozone, O3. In the Earth's stratosphere, the ozone molecule is unstable, and when UV light strikes it, it splits into an oxygen atom and a molecule of oxygen, a process known as the ozone-oxygen cycle. Combining this with the fact that oxygen has the highest composition of 46.6% in rocks, it is clear that approximately half of the rock's composition is oxygen. And if mountains can be projected to the stratosphere region, or raised above us as stated in the Quran, such that ultraviolet light can strike them, inevitably an ozone-oxygen cycle will be initiated, helping to form additional blanket of ozone layer or replenishing the depleted ozone layer. This will have a positive effect on his lifeline longevity. Check my books on Amazon, Science Copy Quran and Unbroken Quran Challenges by Ismail Abadan.